Now in this video, we're going to answer the following question. The function f is defined by f of x equal to ax cubed plus bx minus 5, where a and b are constants to be found. Given that f of 1 is equal to minus 4 and f of 2 is equal to 9, find a and b. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Algebraic substitution is a technique used to simplify expressions or solve equations by replacing one variable or expression with another equivalent one. In this question, we've been given the value of the function after substituting 1, then 2 for the variable x. The question asks us to find the values of the constants a and b, and we'll use the results of f of 1 and f of 2 given to us in order to do that. Answering this question is a 3-step process. First, we substitute 1, 4x, into f of x, the function we've been given, to form an equation where a and b are both unknown values. Then we substitute 2, 4x, into f of x to form a second equation. Before solving these equations simultaneously, to find the values of a and b. The function we've been given is f of x equal to ax cubed plus bx minus 5. Substituting 1, 4x gives us f of 1 equal to a multiplied by 1 cubed plus b multiplied by 1 minus 5, which can be simplified to a plus b minus 5. We've been given the value of f of 1, which is minus 4. So we can set a plus b minus 5 equal to minus 4. Substituting 2 for x gives us f of 2 equal to a multiplied by 2 cubed plus b multiplied by 2 minus 5, which can be simplified to 8a plus 2b minus 5. we've been given the value of f of 2, which is 9. So we can set 8a plus 2b minus 5 equal to 9. These linear equations both have two unknown constants, a and b, so they can be solved simultaneously. Let's start with both equations. 8a plus 2b minus 5 equal to 9. And a plus b minus 5 equal to minus 4. Multiplying the second equation by 2 gives us terms with equal coefficients in both equations. So a plus b minus 5 equal to minus 4 becomes 2a plus 2b minus 10 equal to minus 8. Subtracting these equations gives us 8a minus 2a, which is 6a. 2b minus 2b, which is 0. And minus 5 minus 10, which is 5, equal to 9 minus 8, which is 17. So 6a plus 5 is equal to 17. And subtracting 5 from both sides gives us 6a equal to 12. And dividing both sides by 6 gives us a equal to 2. We can substitute this value of a into either equation. So let's use a plus b minus 5 equal to minus 4. So 2 plus b minus 5 is equal to minus 4, which simplifies to give us b minus 3 equal to minus 4. Adding 3 to both sides gives us b equal to minus 1. So the values of a and b and the answer to this question are 2 and minus 1, respectively. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.